To fix a failed Chime Bank link, first verify that your personal information matches exactly on both accounts. Also ensure that the external bank is supported by Plaid, the service Chime uses to link accounts. So here are the basic fixes. The name and address associated with your external account must precisely match the details on your Chime account. So update the information on both accounts to match it. Now Chime uses the third-party service Plaid to link your accounts. Confirm your external bank is supported by Plaid within the Chime app. Chime does not accept credit cards, international cards, or prepaid cards for instant transfer. Also ensure that your phone has the latest software updates and you have a strong internet connection. Try uninstalling and reinstalling the Chime app to ensure that you have the current version. And clear your browser's cache and cookies and then attempt to link again using a different browser or device. And that's your fix if your Chime Bank link failed, and thank you for listening.